Hi, I'm Joel Miller, insurance agent and mortgage banker at Wall Street Capital Advisors. You know, I'm often asked the question, is flood insurance really necessary? And the answer is, well, it depends. For an example, if you live in an area that is deemed a 100% or 100-year floodplain, or perhaps a 500-year floodplain, the 500-year floodplain means that there is a 0.2% of a chance that your home will flood, or the 100-year floodplain meaning that there is a 1% chance that your house will flood, then you absolutely need flood insurance. Basically, you cannot get a loan from any of the mainstream mortgage companies, and really anybody at this point in time will give you a loan if you do not have flood insurance on your property. So in a case like that, it will be necessary. But let's say if you live in a zone that's categorized as C or Z. In that particular case, you are viewed as being in a low-risk area, and flood insurance is actually optional. So should you consider flood insurance? Well, here's the thing. FEMA considers the whole United States as being in a flood zone. FEMA also has mentioned that 90% of all disasters that happen across the country have some component of flooding associated with them. And of those, 25% of that 90 are actually in areas that are considered low risk. So, would flood insurance actually be necessary? It's a valuable component to consider when you think about protecting your home. A lot of times people just have homeowners insurance, and if there is just wind damage to the home or some other aspect to it, then flood insurance would cover any additional damage that would result in the home because of water coming into the home from an external source. Whether it's from flooding in the neighborhood, whether it's from torrential downpours, or whatever the case might be, flood insurance will protect you against that, where your homeowner's policy stops off. So there you have it. What's the benefits of flood insurance, and should you get flood insurance? Is it really necessary? Those are the things you have to think about, but now you know. I hope you found this beneficial. I'm Joel Miller, insurance agent and mortgage banker with Wall Street Capital Advisors.